Corla, I'm afraid that I'm going to have to deal with a certain topic in my supplementary, and I'm going to ask the Minister to confirm that this Taoiseach on retirement will be in receipt of a lump sum of €378,000, and on top of that, an annual payment in perpetuity of €126,000 per annum. Now, next week, you are going into public sector pay talks and standing over a negotiating stance for two-tier pay rates, two-tier allowances systems and two-tier pension rates for new entrants. The people who helped get this country out of the crisis, the working people of this country, this is the solidarity that you're showing to them. The solidarity that I stand for is in the tradition of Connolly and Larkin, and I say that there must be equal pay for work of equal value for our young people. So my supplementary question, Count Corla, how do you, Minister Paschal Donohoe, defend €378,000 plus €126,000 a year for the departing Taoiseach, while at the same time attempting to defend these scandalous two-tier pay rates for young workers in our public services?
Minister. Let us look at the progress that has been secured in dealing with some of the issues that the Deputy has raised there. Let's look at the issue of pensions. Let's of course acknowledge, as we do so, that the average level of public pension in the state is around €23,000. Let's acknowledge the point that by the 1st of January of 2018, anybody earning in a pension below €32,400 will see the public service pension reduction eliminated. The Deputy made reference to the issue of different pay levels and income levels for people who joined our public service after 2010 and after 2013. Let's look at the agreement that was secured between the government and teachers' unions that look to put in place a higher level of wage growth, look to restore back payments to deal with the fact that we acknowledge that for some teachers the level of payment they were receiving was not in line with the status that we wanted to offer to their profession. So that has been delivered, that's been achieved, and in the negotiations that we will commence in relation to public pay, after the Public Pay Commission have just published their report, we will be looking to build on this progress. We will be looking, if possible, to secure an agreement in relation to public pay that recognises the contributions of 308,000 public servants to our country, to our society and to our economy.